Hello Techies! Welcome to our another video series of Power Automate Desktop. In this video, we will discuss about Excel automation and there some actions like launch Excel and close Excel actions. Let me explain about Excel automation. If you want to working with large amount of data, Excel is common, especially in large organization where Excel is used in many departments such as sales, accounting, and staff. Excel spreadsheet contains data in the form of rows and columns. Let's discuss about our today topic launch Excel and close Excel using Power Automate Desktop practically. Let's open Power Automate Desktop and see about these actions. Now I am on Power Automate Desktop. Here you can see in action panel, these are all are the Excel actions. We will discuss one by one in our upcoming video. So our first action is launch Excel. Here you can just drag and drop launch Excel, and I have already drag and drop here. So happening, and I am explaining each and every parameter about launch Excel. So first parameter is launch Excel. Launch Excel, here we are two properties are available with a blank document and open the following document. If you have a existing file, if you want to open that file, then you can select and open the following document, and you can here mention about document path. And if you don't want to open existing, then you can select with a blank document. Here after selecting add open the following documents, here some properties are available. Advanced section, you can see if your file is password protected, then you can mention the password here. And if you want to open that file open as a read only, then you can select here. And make instance visible property is basically for if you want to visible instance of Excel, means if Excel is opening, then it is showing on your taskbar that Excel is open now. So if you want to see Excel in taskbar, then you can check these properties. And here another one is here you can see variable produce Excel instance. So this is all about launch Excel. So let's discuss our another actions, close action. So I am opening here. Here I am explaining about all parameter of close Excel action. Here Excel instance. So we have already launched Excel. That instance we can here mention. If you open another launch Excel, if you want to mention that instance, you can also mention here. Here and after before closing Excel, we can perform do not save document, save document, save document as. If you want to save document, then click on save document. If you want to save document as with another name, so here first of all you have to select a for extension here. Here you can see guys, all extensions are available here. You can select as per your requirement. After this you can mention the path of document. So all about launch Excel and close Excel parameter. So I hope you understood about launch Excel and close Excel actions. So let's see launch Excel and close Excel with example. For our time saving, I have already created a flow for all scenario. Let's discuss one by one. So our first scenario is launch Excel with blank document. Here you can see launch Excel parameter. I am selecting with a blank document, and also I am checking make instance visible property true. And after this I am using close Excel, and here I am mentioning before closing Excel do not save document because I don't want to save that document. So let's run and see what is the output of this flow. So you can see guys, your flow has been executed successfully. So our another scenario is launch Excel with existing file. Here you can see guys, I am opening Excel file and the file name is transaction.xls. Here you can see your file. Here I am opening this file, and after this after I am here closing the document, and before closing Excel I am selecting do not save document, and here you can see also I am selecting make instance visible. So let's run and see the output of this flow. I am running this flow. You can see your flow is running now, and here you can see your flow is running mode, because here we want to use breakpoint. That is why it is stop. Let's run and see it is closing or not. So it is closed automatically. So our second scenario is also completed. Let's run our third scenario, close Excel with save as. It means if you want to open any document and after this you want to save that Excel file with another name, that time you can here just select save document as in the property of before closing Excel, and after in document format you can mention your extension as per your requirement. Here you can see all the extension, and after this you can uh, save document as per your requirement. You can mention your requirement as per your requirement name. Here mention you can name with path. So let's run this flow and see what is the output of this flow. For doing this, I am disabling this and I am enabling this action. So first of all, let me know about run subflow. This action we will cover in our upcoming video, so don't worry about it. Let's run and see what is the output of this flow. Before this, let's see here only transaction file is available. After running, you can see transaction files is also available after running this flow. So I am running this flow without breakpoint. So see what is the output of this flow. So you can see guys, your flow has been executed successfully, and here you can see your transaction file. Another file is also available in the same folder. So I hope you understood about launch Excel and close Excel action in Power Automate Desktop. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.